Hi, my name is Woon Fei. I'm a brand strategist. I help brands navigate in a sea of noise. But today, I'm here to make SEO less alien and less technical for you. And even if you already have some basic understanding of SEO, I'm going to give you a different perspective so you can achieve a sustainable growth. So whether you're a first timer in SEO or you're a brand manager of a big or small brands, you are at the right place. What most people understand about SEO is that it's a continuous effort to optimize your web pages in order to rank higher at the Google result page, so that the pages you're ranking get more traffic and as a result, increasing the bottom line. Well, it's all good until Google changes its algorithm, which affects the rankings, and then everyone starts to panic. So let me give you a different perspective, a different angle when it comes to approaching SEO. First of all, we got to understand the three-way relationship between the brand, the search engine, which is Google, and also the person who is doing the search, the user. SEO, although it means search engine optimization, it doesn't exactly mean that we are optimizing for the search engine. You see, the users are the ones demanding for answers on the search engine, and the brand acts as a supplier to provide answers to the users. The search engine acting as the middle person is to make sure the users are getting the most relevant answers from the supplier. Because if the users aren't getting what answers they're looking for, they're not going to be staying with Google. They're going to be moving on to other places to look for the answers, which is bad business for Google. So in order to have Google to be in favor of you and your brands, you got to make sure that your supplies, which is your content, is able to serve the demands. In other words, you're optimizing to capture the demands. There are no tricks, just great relevant contents that the users are demanding. Now, whether your content is great or poor is entirely determined by the user. Therefore, it's really important that brands took the time to research what are the users demanding, because at the end of the day, SEO is about capturing and serving those demands. And the demands I'm talking about here are made in the form of keywords. These words are not just simple words that people use to search for answers. They give us clues to who the users are and what they want. And if we dig a little deeper into the words, we can even find information such as the person's intention or the trend in the global or local market, and there's so much more possibilities. I want you to have a look at this chart. What you see here is a chart done by Adam and Eve DBB, and it shows the share of searches versus the share of market of the brand LG. If you're not familiar with share of search, it is the volume of organic searches on Google for a given brand in proportion to other brands in the same category. Alright, coming back to the chart, what's interesting here is that the share of searches is leading the share of market by 6 months. So can you imagine Google being this huge data center housing countless data which have all the information you need to monitor and to grow a brand. And all you need to do is just tap into that data and make data-driven decisions to best serve your audience. And next up, we are going to cover brand monitoring. What is it about and how is it going to help you identify user demands and capture them? I'll see you in the next course.